And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the substring. It works a little bit like the slice method that I've shown you in the last video, but instead of using start and end position as parameters, it uses start position and length. I'll define a string red, green, blue. I can print it out here, and then I add the substring sub and str, regular, parentheses, then start position and length. These are the parameters, so we can count that. Let's say start position here 5, then it should start with green. And length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 would be green. And if we add blue, we would have 11. And the way it sliced the red and left us with green and blue. And we make that 5 and 5, and that means we start at green. And we only get green because green has 5 characters. You make that 3, and we have the comma and white space. And this is how this works. If you just add 3, it's going to cut out the first 3 characters and then give you just the rest of the string. So if you don't need a specific section of your string, but only the first part to be cut out, you can use it like this. You can also use negative values, and then it starts counting from the end of the string. So let me make that -4. This should leave us with blue. So it goes back 4 positions and then gives it rest. And if you make that -4 and then 2, it goes back 4 characters and then forward for the length with 2. So we have BL. Obviously you can't have a negative length, so if I make that -2, this is not going to run. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.